In this video, we are going to see flex tool. So we are going to search in the command search flex, enter. So what is the purpose of flex tool? With this command we can do bending, twisting, tapering and stretching. So first we'll see how to bend the part. Here we'll select the part, then we'll select the bending, and here we have to specify the angle of bending. So how much angle of bend you want to do your part, you can specify the bend angle, or you can give the value in the radius form also and do OK. You can see your part has been bended. Next we'll see twisting. We'll edit this. So here you have to define your twisting plane. From where you want to do twisting, you can add your twisting plane. Both the sides we can define our twisting plane, and then we can increase that twisting by defining twist angle. From that reason my part will be twisted. You can see here, like that we can make a twisting. Edit. Next we have tapering portion. So tapering portion, if you want to make a taper your part, you can define the taper distance, how much taper you want to do. So I defining one side 0 distance, second side I'm taking 2 distance and do OK. You can see how the part become taper. Next, if you want to do a stretching, you take a stretch command. Stretch will be elongate the length of the part. Do OK. So this is how we can use the flex command in SolidWorks. If you like this video, subscribe my channel, and thank you for watching this video.